SCON right now, currently at $2.11. Some serious moves here coming off this one. There is going to be a gap here as well. I'm sorry, but I got to say it. Over here around the $1.46. Where are we going to be here? The close is going to be $1.46. Let me see what this other one is going to be. Where was that low? That opened at $1.55, so we'll put that $1.55 and $1.46 gap there. I am going to be paying attention to that one moving forward here, but look at what happened. Look at what's going on here. This big moves that you guys have seen recently that started around April 4th. With that gap up, you guys came back down, filled that gap very close to it. Pushed up, got past that $2 mark, and then today you guys had a gap up, and it's pulling back down off that gap up, which you guys see right now. Now, when you get all these gap ups here with the stock, this big moves, obviously one thing that's going to tell me is that there is a lot of interest building in this one and really starting to pick up the more and more each day that I can see here with the volume as well. With that being said, look at the big moves that it's made over here, but look at here in the past. There's not much in this entire area, but this big candle right here goes to show that this thing can make some moves. But again, you guys are going to have a gap at $1.55 and $1.46. Your support level is going to be at $1.99. If that breaks, you guys could end up going down to the 10-day simple moving average. The 10-day simple moving average right now is currently at $1.69, we'll call it. Again, remember, when I talk about these moving averages, they do change every single day because obviously they're a moving average. Support level that's going to follow up over that one as well is going to be around the $1.99, like I said. Then the $1.69, $1.55, and $1.46. You guys are going to have a little bit of resistance that you're seeing here, mainly at $2.25, and then off of that's going to be roughly the $2.50 mark, and we can see that up here as well. So that's what we're going to be watching for with this one. Let it chill out, let it pull back a little bit here. Off of that, it could bounce. But again, overall, I personally like what I see here as far as the overall long term. And we'll see what Joe has to add.
All right, so on March 28th, they announced their Superconductor Technology reports 2016 fourth quarter and year-end results. So Superconductor Technologies Incorporated, they're traded on the NASDAQ with the ticker symbol SCON, reported financial results for the quarter and year ended December 31st, 2016. So Jeff Quorum, STI's president and CEO, stated during 2016, we designed and implemented significant performance improvements to our Conductus HTS wire. Earlier this year, we attained a 20% increase in critical current carrying capacity on our new wire architecture. In late February, our internal testing delivered results that met specifications for several customers. As a result, we have recently shipped wire to key customers for final qualification in their field applications. In 2017, we plan to fulfill existing qualification orders that include 3 new orders received in the fourth quarter and ramp up production for commercial scale orders. As we have discussed in the past, attaining final customer approval for 1 or more applications is our near-term focus. Additionally, in November, STI was selected by the U.S. Department of Energy's DOE office for its Next Generation Electric Machines program in collaboration with industry partner TECO Westinghouse Motor Company. The NGEM program's objective is to bring about more rapid development of enabling technology for superconductive industrial motors used in manufacturing. STI is the prime recipient of the $4.5 million award under the DOE's broad goal of advancing American manufacturing competitiveness by improving industrial motor efficiency to significantly reduce energy usage and the cost of operations. So let's see, the CEO stated, we believe the recent industry and government support of HTS wire manufacturers initiatives confirm the importance of this key enabling technology to surpass the performance limitations of conventional materials and designs. The complementary capabilities of our highly regarded collaborators on the project position the team for success. TWMC is an industrial leader committed to the commercialization of high-power electric machines utilizing superconducting technology. Our well-respected academic partners, Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the University of Texas, will provide key assistance to achieving the project's objective of improving the performance and yield of HTS wires while reducing the cost of manufacturing process. So that's that. Let's see. Let me go down. All right. So STI's fourth quarter 2016 net revenues were $9,000 compared to $22,000 in the third quarter of 2016 and $27,000 in the fourth quarter of 2015. Revenue for all periods was primarily from legacy wire products. Net loss for the fourth quarter 2016 was $2.5 million, or a loss of 0.61 per basic diluted share, compared to a net loss of $2.9 million, or a loss of 93 cents per basic and diluted share in the third quarter of 2016, and a net loss of $2.4 million, or a loss of $1.23 per basic and diluted share in the fourth quarter of 2015. So for the full year 2016, total net revenues were $131,000 compared to $244,000 for 2015. The net loss for 2016 was $11.1 million, or $3.53 per share, compared to $8.6 million, or $6.55 per share for 2015. Please note share and per share data for both periods is adjusted for the 1-for-15 reverse split effective on July 18, 2016. So as of December 31st, 2016, STI had $10.5 million in cash and cash equivalents. On December 14th, 2016, STI closed a public offering with gross proceeds of $10.3 million. So they actually had a conference call too. Let's see if it's still available for review. I think the replay is still available over there. So you pull up that press release right there. You can see the number to call in and listen to this conference call they had. If you want to do more due diligence on the company, just go right over to that SCON board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that board.
That's right. And again, with the news that Joe's just going over, look at how quick and easy that is to pull it up over here on Investors Hangout, completely free. Like I always say, time and sales is also one of my personal favorites, where you can see the time and each price and volume for each individual trade over here, again, on investorshangout.com, completely free with the chart. 211, watch gap at $1.55 and 46, resistance at $2.25 and $2.50. Supported at $1.99, $1.69, and $1.55 and $1.46. Found simply moving averages with a little bit of resistance and support levels set back in the previous days of this chart. So that's what we're going to be watching for moving forward with SCON. If you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button now. If you haven't, we would appreciate it. Join us for our next show live, where you guys pick the stocks that we cover and get out there and share this video. The more times you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. Again, join us at investorshangout.com/live, investorshangout.com/live for the next live show.